When watering your plants in the wintertime, it's super important not to overwater them. So just put your finger in there. That's the absolute best way. And now when you do water, some ordinary plant fertilizer. And I've had this container so long that I forget what it is. It's probably just ordinary Miracle Grow or something. Granular fertilizer. And I just put some of that in there. And I just turn on the hot water. Hot water only. And let it fill up. With a teaspoon or less of fertilizer in there. A lot of times fertilizer works best in small amounts. That's full. So I just let that set at a minimum overnight, because you should never water your houseplants with tap water. And so the fertilizer is not super important, but a tiny dab of fertilizer in there, I think it helps. Then, of course, in the summer I set the plants back outside to be out in the rain, get the soil nice and purified and washed. But for your houseplants in the wintertime, I just tap water, but I let it set. And that accomplishes two things. First off, it comes to room temperature, because it's best to water your plants with room temperature water. And second, it gets rid of chlorine and other gases that gas off out the top there. Let it set at least overnight. And in fact, I have 2 pots, and that way I can have one filling and one setting. So it's usually aged tap water I use with a little bit of fertilizer in there. Here is one that's been setting for a while. So here's the plants we brought in this morning, and here is some water that I filled up with tap water, I don't know, several days ago. I have 2 of these going, and I just used the oldest one. Be sure and use aged tap water, and to do that you want to fill it up, your watering can, and let it set at least overnight. I also try and put in like maybe a teaspoon per gallon of, I use Miracle Grow granule feeder, but I don't think it matters, just any granular feed. And if you just stick to no more than even a level teaspoon per gallon, although I'm not really ever careful about the measurements, but at least per gallon, because that way you don't have to worry about over fertilizing your plants if you just water them with trace amounts of fertilizer.